Hey everyone, so I am back. I just want to give you an update for this week. First, I upload this video, something like this video, for yesterday, which was Wednesday, but I'm going to upload it now, to get it out the way so you can be informed. Basically, for Saturday, I'll be uploading a good video. I'm super excited. It's going to be an organizing type video. Super excited for that. And then also an update is that on next week for Monday, I am going to be uploading another video, which will be Dollar Tree inspired fall, probably Halloween inspired video as well. So stay tuned, be on the lookout, and basically look forward to it. It's gonna be, trust me, you do not want to miss these two videos that I'm gonna be uploading for this week on Saturday and next week on Monday. So love you guys, catch you guys. So yes guys, you do not want to miss out on these two videos I'm gonna be uploading for this week and also for next week. Love you guys, as I always say, just to love you. Catch you guys in the next video.